What's up, you guys? It's your girl Daisy Flower Girl. Welcome to Squad. And if you're just not coming to my channel, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know each and every time I do come on. And we would love for you to be part of the family. So today, you guys, I'm back with another one. You knew I had to come back on and do this for you guys. So I got the new Sprite, the lemonade, and I have two of them. So you know I'm about to do a burping challenge to see how this go. I'm going to see how much I can burp off of two of these. So let's get started. I've been wanting to try this flavor. Certain stores don't carry this, so it's kind of hard to find them where I'm at. Let's get to it. Smell like lemonade, actually. I don't even smell like, and it don't even sizzle, you know, like, it don't even do that. Okay, here we go. I'm already full, hold up. I just finished eating too, so. Very lemony. Mm. 220 calories, not bad. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know each and every time I do come on. And also comment below. Let me know what challenges you want me to do or anything like that. Or if you have any questions, let me know. Oh. Almost done with this one. Get you full. It'll make you full fast. Not bad for Sprite. Okay, you guys. I'm almost done. Finish that one. So we're gonna see, you guys, if I can finish this one, the second one, or see how far I can get. And hold on. And see what happens. Ooh. That one sizzled a little bit. That's gonna be definitely an ASMR. Excuse me. Ooh. Went down the wrong way. All right. I'm in the middle, you guys, where the label was at. Whew. Whew. See if I can get to this one. I'm gonna try to get past the label right here. Right here. Oh, it got me full. Ooh. Ooh. Full. Okay, you guys. I try to finish 2 of these. I finished the whole one and almost basically halfway with this one because it's like right here. Oh. And I wanted to see how this really tastes and everything like that. Not bad. Not bad at all. But I always will stick with my original one. The original one, that's my favorite, so. Sprite try to do something different. But you guys, I love you guys so much. Thanks for tuning in on my burping challenge. You know, I always come through for you guys. I love my audience. I love my subbies, my new and my old. You guys, please hit the notification bell and subscribe so you know each and every time I do come on. Comment below. My contact information is also below. My Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I love you guys so much. And I will be back. Love you. Bye.